how to fix problems like auto not showing or any kinds of tracking errors on Tim Hortons application. First, if you're having any kinds of problem on the application or on the website, you need to make sure that your device's internet connection is working. Swipe down on the control center and make sure your Wi-Fi or cellular data is turned on and is connected to a network that is actually working. By doing so, you shouldn't be having any kinds of internet issues. However, if you are on the website and still facing issues, what you can do is you can log out and log in into your account. However, if you are on the application, you can simply log out and log in onto your account once and it will fix all the problems. If you are on the website, you can simply clear your cache once. First, you want to go to your settings and scroll down all the way and tap on apps. Here you want to navigate yourself to the Safari application, tap on Safari and scroll down and simply clear history and website data from here. And the next time you open the website, you shouldn't be facing such problems. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, do comment down below.